Hi everyone, we are doing 42 times 13. With partial products, we start by splitting up each number into its parts, or in other words, putting it into expanded form. 42 is going to go in these two boxes here. That 4 is really a 40 and the 2 is a 2, so that's how you write 42 in expanded form. On the bottom, we'll put 10 in the orange box and 3 in the red box. So now our numbers have been split into their parts and we're ready to multiply. We're going to start with the green and multiply that number against both digits of the other number, never going against the 2 because they're on the same team. So we'll follow these green arrows too. So 40 times 10. So we're going to do 4 times 10, which is 4. Sorry, 4 times 1. What I'm trying to say is ignore the zeros. So we'll do 4 times 1 as if the zeros weren't there. So 4 times 1 is 4. And then you're going to stick the zeros back in to your product. So 40 times 10 is 400. Now you're going to do 40 times 3. Again, pretend like that 4 doesn't have a 0 on the end. Do 4 times 3 and then put the 0 back. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we'll stick the 0 on. Now we're going to move on to the blue. You're done with the green. So we'll do 2 times 10 and then 2 times 3. 2 times 10 is 20 and 2 times 3 is 6. Now you're going to add all these up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So we get a total of 546.